send from ZipPay to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send your money from your ZipPay to your bank account. So first of all, just simply open your MobiKwik mobile application, and after that just log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged in into your account, just simply scroll down on the home screen itself, and over here under the UPI money transfer, you will be able to see a bunch of different options like Pocket UPI, transfer to yourself, send to bank account, check bank balance and other details. Just simply click on send to bank account, and after that just simply enter your account number and IFSC code for the bank you want the money to be transferred. And after that, on the next page, just select the payment option. For example, you want to use your ZipPay in order to transfer the money into your bank account. So just select that, and after that just simply add the amount of the money that you would want to transfer from your ZipPay to your bank account. And yeah, that's how you will be able to send the money. So this is basically how you will be able to send from your ZipPay to bank account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.